Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to add a TikTok account link in YouTube channel. Let me go and click on profile. This one is my profile link. Let me copy it. Now let's go back in YouTube channel. Click here, then YouTube Studio. And now on the left side, here you can see this one, view channel on YouTube. Click on customize channel. And then scroll down. Here you can add a link. Add the link here, and here you can type TikTok and click publish. That's done. Click here, go to channel. Click here, scroll down. That's done.